the day our people and makes people all together were camped beside the highland range. My laughter among them when I was a child was nothing like my crying on the day of farewell. The day our people and May's people all together were camped beside the highland ridge. My laughter among them when I was a child was nothing like my crying on the day of farewell. They carved me down, though my stem was thin. Oh, Ali, like a reed shaved by the blade. They bent my will, though I would not obey. They overcame me, though I was brave and strong. Oh, Ali, I called with a voice so high, oh woman, do not drop the veil. My eyes ache for a graceful gazelle among you with light upon her cheek, and you blame her. May you lose your way, you cannot see her like that shining light. Oh, Ali, I called with a voice so high,